Hello. I am Mortuser from Motion Indoor. This is my first tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. Today I will create this. So let's get started. Create a new composition. Let's call it Cool Title Animation. I am using 1920 by 1080 resolution. Frame rate is 30. Duration is 10 seconds. Then hit OK. Now start a first step. I am using Biba's new font. Then write a text if you want. Second text I use Roboto font. Change the color if you want. Go to Rectangle tool. And draw something like this. Select shape layer and put in on top or big title here in timeline. Then select big title layer and go to matte and set this alpha inverted matte. Now I animated this. Select shape layer and hit S keyboard for scale. Bring the change scale. Add a keyframe for that and move same frame and add a keyframe and this keyframe 0%. And both the keyframe is easy ease keyframe F9 on your keyboard. So take your shape layer and duplicate, bring the shape layer top off smaller title. Select smaller title and this time I set smaller title matte to alpha matte. Now smaller title is animated. Let's set a background. Change the color if you want. Now big title I will do animated. Now select top up 3 layer and drag something like this. Select big title and anchor point set down corner. Select big title and hit S on keyboard for scale. Add a keyframe and this keyframe 0%. Add a keyframe. Middle keyframe, bring the change scale. And both keyframe is easy ease keyframe F9 on your keyboard. Now select top up 3 layer and drag something like this. Go to Graph Editor and to keyframe drag something like this. Cool, it's good to me. Now this is our cool title animation. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I will see you next one.